just trying to find a tone. I have this organ, so I'm just trying to find a tone that I like. So that's all I'm doing here, just messing around with the tone to get the tone that I want with the reverb time and the size. This is the mouth and off plugin. So I'm just I'm gonna add this sound in. I'm just using this organ to thicken up the sound, another layer to thicken up the sound. So this collab 3 is it's an emulation of a B3 organ, a Hammond B3 organ. Sounds I like how it sounds. It's pretty mellow, but still present at the same time. So you hear this sound from the Yojo. This instrument right here, I like this tone because it's different from many other instruments. So that's why I choose to pick this one. I just go by the different tones. You guys should know about this plugin, this scaler 2. A lot of you guys should know about this one right here. It's a nice VST instrument. So I'm just setting up the tone right here that I need to hear. just adding a reverb right here. I'm gonna pick a nice reverb, you know, to process the vocals a little so it sounds like airy. Punchworm is a like a drive plugin, so it gives excitement. It's like an exciter drive, but it doesn't really distort the sound, so I would say more like a drive, an excitement kind of plugin exciter. So we hear that this Hammond B70 here is I think this is an other emulation of a B3 Hammond also. So you see the and I have the Collab 3 also, another emulation. So I have two emulations I'm using, but each still sounds unique in there, you know. So that's why I'm using them for the sonic texture. You can hear how they're driving it. They're driving the beat whenever they come in. It's like they're creeping in and then they envelop on you and then they fade back out. They sneak up and give you a lot, and then they take themselves away. That's how the organ tones are sounding. Tape emulation on it, so it'll sound a little more retro, a little more lo-fi. That's why I'm using the vinyl right here. Listen to the difference. It's off and it's on. You should be able to hear the difference. how the snare is hitting with the vinyl on it. Sound like the 70s drums, 70s snares. See, it's because of that tape emulation. It's thickening it up.